Welcome to another season for Master Designs starring Dino Master X. Tonight we're going to draw cybertronian mode Tonight we're going to draw Transformers animated cybertronian mode Starscream. This was how Starscream first appeared on the first episode for Transformers Animated. After his spacecraft crash landed on the moon, he took on a fighter jet as a disguise. Yeah? I'll be up in a minute. Alright. Alexa, play Chozetsu Dynamic Orchestral Mix.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Alright, getting started. We started off with the upper half. Now we're just going to draw our way down, starting with his chest. Shoot. Battery's almost... Let me just plug this in. Wow, I've drawn a lot of stuff starring Starscream, bruh. Alexa, play Celestial.
Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again.
Here's his arm pads.
I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you go.
Here are the wings.
Down. Know your arms are
Alright.
reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
Right. All of this is gonna get done. I'm telling you now. It's not good like this.
See the light shining through the rain, 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's a silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost,
Here's the blaster cannon.
come back round. Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the
There.
smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel Cocoa stars, and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
There we go.
We were made to be nothing more than this. Finding all the strongest thing. The way we know this, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight the morning celestial.
Alexa, what is Coco pulls it off?
From essentiallysports.com, American tennis sensation Coco Gauff pulled off her first ever tour-level clay court win by edging past reigning Australian Open quarterfinalists Hans Jabeur at Italian Open 2020.
That takes care of that. Thanks for telling me that. Here are the fingers. Alexa, play Levitating.
Here's Levitating by Dua Lipa on Amazon Music.
Here's his second blaster cannon. I apologize if Starscream wasn't available for this moment.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a cybertronian Starscream. Yes, I know, I handpicked it at random. I just felt like drawing it. That's all for now. That's all. What's up with that? Anyway, consider this one complete. Good night, guys. And be on the lookout for more Starscream related episodes.